have missed the first video of the Realme C35, which includes the detailed unboxing, the unfortunate scratch test, and the drop test damage disaster of the C35, then you may press the I button on the top right corner or the link in the description to watch it later. In part 2 of the C35 video, moving on to fun stuff with value, the bend test, the test of structural integrity and device build quality. If you remember, earlier in the year, the Realme 9 Pro had failed the bend test by LCD display damage due to poor build quality. In fact, it was Realme's first catastrophic fail in the build quality bend test. So we are obviously slightly nervous for the C35 structural health. A good amount of flex from the display side with a slight bit of creaking. There is a lot of sharp pressure on the fingers due to the sharp boxy edges. Almost an equal amount of bend degree from the backside, but no creaking sound effects. The sharp pain on the fingers continue due to the C35 design. Apart from the weird creaking noises from the display side and the flex degree, it's a relief that Realme has gone back to sturdy plastic builds in the C35 and the structure did not fail like the Realme 9 Pro. BBK and Realme devices have mostly done great in liquid damage resistance for some reason, even without any official IP rating or certification. The Realme C35 also does not have an official water resistance, but we are expecting it to pass the water test, looking at the past liquid history of Realme on the channel. Though there have been some instances in recent times of permanent display damage suffered on the Narzo 50i and the Realme 9 Pro. BBK and Realme are also notoriously consistent for not using oleophobic coating on most of the budget devices as a means to cut cost of production. It's the same story on the Realme C35 as well. Other brands like Xiaomi, Poco or Samsung always give oleophobic coating as a normal practice, but Realme doesn't seem to care about that. The Realme C35 has sailed past the first round of oleophobic bar testing without suffering from low distorted audio issues. That is why it is already at the light splashing round, the round responsible for the sad end of displays on the Redmi Note 8 and 9 due to motherboard damage. At this stage, the C35 is not yet showing any signs of affected prolonged audio issues, which is the first step towards liquid damage. In fact, the audio level and quality has been excellent and stable until now during light splashing. We are also hoping that the C35 doesn't face other temporary or permanent issues such as screen flicker, camera lens fogging, headphone icon issue, or temporary blank displays, or permanent display damages due to water seepage. The Realme C35 has turned out to be a typical Realme device even without a rubber sealant or official water resistance, because it seems to pass every round of water abuse without much difficulty, almost like an IP rated device, easily passing a water test.